to glow. The earth inhales a gentle breeze, and warmth walks into sleeping trees. Petals bloom like painted skies as bees hum love to flowers that rise. Butterflies in silken flight kiss the dawn with wings of light. Streams now sing with crystal grace, dancing down the mountain's face. Seeds awaken trembling earth, pushing green with fearless birth. The bear now stirs from winter's keep, shaking off the cloak of sleep. Spring returns with tender might, turning cold to soft sunlight. Oh, season of hope, so wild, so true, you teach the world to start
The sun climbs high with golden grace and paints its fire on earth's wide face. Fields of grain sway bold and bright in the arms of endless light. Cicadas sing in leafy trees as laughter sails on sunset breeze. Rivers gleam with amber spark, and children dance till evening dark. Mangoes ripen, skies turn white with cotton clouds that slowly glide. Birds glide low with amber spark, and children dance till evening dark. Mangoes ripen, skies turn white with cotton clouds that slowly glide. Birds glide low in lazy flight beneath the skies, embracing light. Barefoot dreams on sand now play as oceans call and skies obey. Summer's heat, both wild and wise, glows like embers, embracing light. Oh, season of fire, of thrill, of flare, you teach us joy in open air.
Trees now speak in rustling gold as whispered winds turn warm to cold. Leaves like fire begin to fall, a final dance before they stall. The skies go deep in twilight hues, Earth wears robes of amber blues. Crisp the air, yet calm the light, as day makes peace with coming night. Pumpkins ripen, fruits grow mild. Nature hums in a thoughtful child. Squirrels race with winter's call, storing dreams for snow to fall. Pumpkins ripen, fruits grow wild. Nature hums in a thoughtful child. Squirrels race with winter's call, storing dreams for snow to fall. Streams slow down, the bees grow still. Time walks soft on every hill. Autumn leads with quiet grace, the tender hush in nature's face. So, season of pause, of letting go, you teach us beauty in moving slow. Oh, season of pause, of letting go, you teach us beauty in moving slow. Pumpkins ripen, fruits grow wild. Nature hums in a thoughtful child. Squirrels race with winter's call, storing dreams for snow to fall. Oh, streams slow down, the bees grow still. Time walks soft on every hill. Autumn leaves with quiet grace, a tender hush in nature's face. Oh, season of pause, of letting go.
In robes of white, beneath the hush of pale moonlight, trees stand bare with stoic grace, while snowflakes kiss the earth's soft face. The winds now speak in whispers low, as rivers freeze in gentle flow. Fires burn with steady glow, and hearts find warmth in inward snow. Footprints mark the silent land, a fox and deer by nature's hand. Stars shine clear in midnight's dome, and hearts find warmth in inward snow. Footprints mark the silent land, a fox and deer by nature's hand. Stars shine clear in midnight's dome, as every soul turns thought to home. The bear returns to dream's deep sea, as life retreats so peacefully. Stillness hums a sacred tune, beneath the frost new hopes are strewn. O season of rest, of pause, of deep, you teach the soul how strength may sleep. Footprints walk the silent land, a fox and deer by nature's hand. Stars shine clear in midnight's dome, as every soul turns thought to home. The bear returns to dream's deep sea, as life retreats so peacefully. Stillness hums a sacred tune, beneath the frost new hopes are strewn.